The Miele S528 is a highly efficient vacuum cleaner that allows you to effortlessly vacuum your home both daily and when needed. There are 3 additional vacuum cleaner nozzles under the lid. Vacuuming of sofas and armchairs is possible with the crevice nozzle and the furniture nozzle. The vacuum cleaner has a removable hose. A clean dust bag is essential for maximum vacuum cleaner efficiency. A clogged dust bag can result in reduced airflow, resulting in poor suction performance, or in extreme cases it can lead to overheating, which will cause the vacuum to switch off. Changing dust bags is relatively easy. The most important thing to keep in mind is using the right type of dust bag. The active HEPA air clean filter combines activated carbon and HEPA filtration to capture respirable particles and allergens. The filter ensures that even the smallest dust particles are filtered out of the exhaust air. This, combined with the fact that it is a spacious dust bag of 4 liters, results in fewer bag changes and lower consumption costs. The vacuum cleaner weighs 7.8 kilos. The rotating wheels help you navigate through narrow spaces in your home. The cable has a range of 10 meters. It has a long reach so you don't have to change the socket that often. You can choose between 6 different power levels. The small symbols show which surfaces the different power levels are suitable for.